what's good, guys? So we're doing lesson 4.2, slope of perpendicular lines plus equation. I'm gonna just read it off. Perpendicular lines are two lines in the same place that intersect to form 90 degrees angles. So what that's saying, so you see these two angles, they make a 90 degree right here. Simple. They make a 90 degree right here, right here, right here. Each four corners are 90 degrees. When given the equations of two lines, you can determine if they are perpendicular by examining the slopes of the lines. Slope criteria, product of slopes, are -1. So 2 over 1 times -1/2. -2 divided by 2, -1 over 1 simplifies to -1. So that criteria is right. Another way to think of this is that they're a reciprocal and negative reciprocal. So let's just say 2x, 2 over 1. Negative reciprocal. Reciprocal is the denominator over the numerator. In this case, it would be -1/2. Negative reciprocal. Alright, for this one, find the equation of the line that is perpendicular and passes through the given point. So remember, point slope form is y minus y1 equals m, or the slope, parentheses, x minus x1. So first we need to know the perpendicular. Negative reciprocal. So 10 over 1 turns into -1 over 10. Once we have that, now we know. Plug it back into the point slope formula. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Don't get confused. Even though 3 goes last here, it goes first here. This is y minus -3. Minus -3, it turns into a plus. So yeah, in this situation, don't forget to add the -3 and turn it positive. -1 over 10 times x minus 1. Y plus 3 equals -1 10x plus 1 over 10 minus 3 y equals -1 10x minus 2 and 9/10. We could go back and plug this in. 10x plus 3 -1 y equals, don't forget, y equals -1 10x minus 2 9/10. So you can see that's perpendicular. 90 degrees. Now over here, we only need this slope. We don't need this y-intercept. So y minus 0 equals 3x minus 12. Y equals 3x minus 36. Minus 36, that's kind of crazy, but alright. Let's graph it. Y equals -1/3 x minus 5, and y equals 3x minus 36. You can see here, these are perpendicular. And you can see here, let's go to 12 0. About there, 12 0. It does in fact cross 12 0, point 12 0. Let's go. This one is kind of tricky. So y equals, we could do 5x divided by 3 plus 1 over 3. And y equals 5/3 x plus 1 over 3. Negative reciprocal. So y minus 1 equals -3/5 x minus 1. Y plus 1 equals -3/5 x plus 3/5. Subtract the 1, y equals -3/5 x minus 2/5. This one, you have to write it as to slope form. You want to leave the y on one side. We could do -2y equals -3x plus 10. Then divide by -2. Y equals 3/2 x minus 5. Then just plug it back in. Point slope form. Y minus 5 equals -2 thirds x minus 7. Y minus 5 equals negative 2 thirds x plus 14 over 3, which is kind of weird. And then it's gonna give me plus 5 plus 5. Y equals negative 2 thirds x plus, well, I'm gonna just leave it as 29 over 3. I don't know if that's right, but whatever. I think you guys understand what I'm trying to do. And over here, same thing. 1/2 y, then plus 8 minus 3 equals 8x minus 3 times 2, 2. Y equals 16x minus 6. Y minus 0 equals negative 1/16 x plus 8. Remember, negative, subtract negative turns into a positive. Keep change opposite, I'm pretty sure. You could use to remember that. Yeah. Y equals negative 1/16 x. Let me just do this. Negative 8 over 16. Oh, so that's y equals negative 16 x equals minus 1/2. Yeah, so y equals 1/16 x minus 1/2. Yeah, that one was a little confusing. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Peace. Keep on practicing.